Russia is fake news. The entire thing has been a witch hunt. Fake news, fabricated deal. Trump and Russia is a made-up story. It's an excuse. You can talk all you want about Russia, which was all a, fake news, fabricated deal to try and make up for the loss of the Democrats, and the press plays right into it. And people are trying to cover up for a terrible loss that the Democrats had under Hillary Clinton. Russia is fake news. This is fake news put out by the media. The real news is the fact that it's a joke. Well, I respect the move, but the entire thing has been a witch hunt, and there is no collusion between certainly myself and my campaign, but I can always speak for myself and the Russians. Zero.